Welcome to Learnglish. Today we will be discussing two prepositions of time that learners might confuse. Until and by. What is the difference? Until is a time preposition that shows a time limit when something occurs or is correct. It marks the end of a period or the moment when a situation changes. Remember, you always use a finishing time after until. They will play outside until it gets dark. By. As a time preposition, by shows the latest time something should happen or something needs to be done before a certain point. Remember, you always use a time after by. You have to finish your homework by 5 p.m. Now let's try. Please like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends. 1. The meeting will start 10 o'clock. You can see a time here, so we have to say by 10 o'clock. 2. We will wait here, you come back. You come back is the finishing time and the waiting continues till then, so we say until. 3. The project needs to be completed next week. You can see a deadline here, which is next week, and you say by. 4. I will stay, the movie ends. The end of a movie is the finishing time, so we have to use until. 5. She promised to arrive noon. You can see a time here, which is noon, and you have to say by. 6. The concert lasts midnight. Midnight is the finishing time, and we have to say until. Please subscribe for more content and let me know what topic should I cover next.